Dear Santa, for Christmas, I would like a Samsung RF24 BB6 200QL 74 cubic unit fee stainless bespoke contact 3-door French. Guys, hold on, stop. Okay, alright. I just got wind that there's a kid out there who hasn't received their Samsung fridge from Santa.
Samsung fridge from Santa?
Yes, okay, so listen, we need to go to the North Pole to get this kid his Samsung fridge.
Like, why us? Santa could do it.
Because, Blake, we are ones who act for Santa. We must spread the holiday cheer. He can't be expected to do all the holiday cheer himself. We need to do it as well. What?
Don't we live in a really crime-populated area?
Shut up. Are you guys coming with?
Fine.
Let me just change.
Alright. Where's Blake?
Yeah.
I changed.
Blake, what the hell are you wearing?
My winter outfit.
We're going to the North Pole, not fucking Hawaii! What are you doing?
It blends in with Christmas.
What part of that blends in with Christmas? That has flower pellets on it!
You know, I look like a candy cane.
Yeah, whatever. Let's just go.
How are we gonna get there, by the way?
We're walking.
Okay.
What?
Man, this weather's fucking cold.
Blake, don't touch the fire.
But it's warm. Like,
Blake,
look how warm it is.
Don't, no.
Blake, get the hell back here. Guys, this does not look like the North Pole.
Of course it's not the North Pole, you washed up metal mascot.
My hands hurt.
Get off the ass!
Stop right there! You witches are not allowed through here! Over there for my shroom to bring! Okay? It's like from the fucking fungi Führer or something! Yeah! Leave my
Guy ever shut up, dude.
alone!
Yeah.
Of course you can. You know what? We can go wherever we want!
Guys, look! We finally made it!
Oh my god.
Fucking finally.
What?
Wait, why is it so big?
Damn,
Hold on a second!
Santa?
Santa?
Shut the fuck! Are you naughty children trying to steal my fridge?
Wait, this is your fridge?
I sentence all of you to 12 days of Christmas!
Oh my...
Oh my god, Santa, I've been looking for you! Right now, please, can I get 6-7 for Christmas, please?
No, get the fuck!
Merry Christmas, WSM. Hope you get your fridge. And to everyone else as well. Merry Christmas.